Good morning, boys and girls. If I have a sleepy face, then it's really early. It's like a quarter to 6, and I woke up by the church bells there ringing, and I thought kind of, oh shit, it's 6:30, because the guy here in the restaurant, the owner of the place, he told us yesterday that the church would start at 6:30, and I thought, yeah, it's already 6:30. It's not. It was 5:30. Anyway, the main thing is that today we're in Moni, and we're going to Bajawa in the end. The plan was go to Ruteng, but we couldn't find accommodation. I think it's around 170 kilometers to get there. We're driving through Ende, which is the main city here in the area, along the coast a little bit, and then on some nice twisty roads. So let's see what the day brings today. Leaving Moni. It's leaving late again, almost 9, and wow, is it hot! But as soon as you're driving, it's nice. Landscape again, getting out of the mountains. It's better, and there's rice fields again. It's like the harvest, the rice harvest is just over. Fields are burning, or have been burned after the harvest. Don't let me carry it alone. I feel like my head is full of stone. What I remember from Flores, all those bridges and nice clear rivers. One river, get us. There is nothing we can do. Stop this plague from breaking through. Hallo. Ja, mau full. Ya, 120 aja. Oke. Kalau enggak nanti bocor. 105.
There's a heavy load upon my back. No way to throw it off. For a second I believe it's gone. I'm just a fool out of luck. Standing on the open road, always with a heavy load. Don't let me carry it alone. I think my head is full of stone. There's not a whole lot I can do when all the visions have come true.
We see left and right why it's called Batu Hijau, the greenstone base. Batu Hijau, Greenstone Beach. Have a little rest here. By Greenstone Beach or Bluestone Beach. Batu Hijau means greenstone. And now going to Bajawa, 100 kilometers, not too far, but we're gaining altitude. I think almost 1,700 meters. Looks a little bit cloudy there in the mountains. I saw before with the drone. Let's hope it won't be raining. Well, the it was a rain stop before, but looks like there's no way to get out of the rain. Okay. So testing out the rain gear. When it rains in the tropics, boy, it rains.
Do we ever learn before it's too late? Why we keep falling through it?
Well, the heavy rain is over, at least for the moment.
Why we keep waiting for years, like time's been frozen, never too late.
Okay, we arrived in Bajawa. Parting from Moni this morning was like total drive time 5 hours, 180 kilometers. We made a short break there to wait out the rain, and as it looked okay, we kept on driving, but then big rain caught us. But nevertheless, the ride was nice. Tomorrow we're going to explore this area of Bajawa. Let's see what's in store there for us. So yeah, thanks again for watching. If you liked it, if you want to see what's coming tomorrow, like, subscribe, you know the drill. Okay, see you tomorrow.